Well, another spectacular view on this Shaffer Trail. I keep saying trail because that's what it says it is. We're used to stuff that's narrow and tight, so this feels like more like a road, but it really doesn't matter. Anyways, it is beautiful. Check out the scene here. Again, the Colorado River flowing that direction and east. Well, it's winding, so it's going eventually east. But then you got this, I don't know what that is. Anyways, the water's coming around it. Really nice, cool plateau on top of it, rocks behind it. There's a little bit of an island inside the Colorado River. And then we keep going, and we've got the other part of our group back there, all standing back away from the edge quite a ways because, well, you never know if it's overhanging, and you know, if it breaks out, that would not be good. So you got to be real cautious about how far towards the edge you would go. And then we've got this rock wall here behind us. That is just awesome. All the different layers inside the rocks. So cool. And then back over to another series of rocks. And this is the direction the road goes. Now, I'm assuming it curves around afterwards because it looks like it drops down, but I don't actually know because we haven't been there yet. So, but it just everything here. There's just so much, and it's hard to include the best shot because, well, everything's the best shot. Well, that was a spectacular adventure into Shaffer Trail. Switchbacks. Had some opportunities to pull some people out, getting stuck, rock formations. It had everything on that one. That was really cool. Such a good trip. We'll have to ask what everybody's favorite was. In the meantime, we can ask what the wife's favorite was.
Oh man, that's hard to say. There's so many different views and stuff. The Switchbacks was pretty cool. A little terrifying at the same time because of how far of a drop it is, but amazing views. Everything has been amazing. My phone is probably going to be full of pictures non-stop because I can't stop taking pictures.
Zaylin, what was your favorite?
I don't really know.
Yeah, did you have fun though at least?
Yep, a lot.
That's good. Sebastian, what was your favorite?
Having fun.
You having fun? Oh, excellent. Jazz, what was your favorite?
I don't really know. I liked all of it.
All right, well, we're gonna meet up with the others and air up our tires, and we'll find out what they enjoyed. So, Tony, how was that Shaffer Trail?
Awesome.
What was your favorite part?
All of it. It was, the whole thing was great.
Too many good highlights.
Yeah, no, the switchbacks were great. The views, all the red rocks.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Yep, I agree. Everything was good.
Yeah, good day. It was awesome. Sounds like we have a lot more to see even in, hopefully,
The next go.
Yeah.
Oh my
Before
goodness.
we can get back to camp, we'll see some cool stuff.
Devin, what was your highlight from Shaffer Trail?
Yeah, the switchbacks were pretty intense. I called it the Cliffs of Insanity, but I think that's trademarked from the movie somewhere. No, great views, high elevation gain. We got some technical stuff in there. Got to use 4-low and creep along some pretty steep climbs, so I like those.
We got some good shots of you guys on the cliff edge by yourself.
Oh, cool.
Because it doesn't look like you're on anything.
Yeah.
You're just like, wow, how are you staying
You
there?
can do a lot of trick photography with those angles. Yeah, fun day.
Nice. Dad, what was your highlight on the Shaffer?
It was beautiful. The views were beautiful. I mean, it's hard to pick out one thing. It was nice being able to help people out too, get them pulled out of the mud. And I think we got some good drone footage. Just the views were amazing.
Nice.
And the switchbacks made you pay attention. That was, yeah. I wouldn't want to lose the transmission on that.
Yikes.
Start coasting down backwards. Yeah, or brakes.
Brakes. Yeah.
Man,
What was your
I'm
highlight?
definitely glad that we went up those switchbacks than going down.
Yeah.
That was recommended, and so we highly recommend to people going up. But I think that spot also where we stopped for lunch,
Oh yeah.
that was just a gorgeous. I mean, every direction you turned, there was something, you know. So, yeah, that was an awesome spot for lunch, and it was kind of fun that we got to do some recovery, you know. The people might still be there if we didn't come along.
Yeah. Oh, good. What was your highlight from the Shaffer?
You really want to know?
I do.
I was a little nervous, but I was driving behind your dad, so he made me feel more comfortable driving it. And then he kind of gave me some pointers which gear I should be in, and so that helped. And the road was comfortable enough. That Shaffer switchback was wide enough that you felt a little comfortable. It wasn't too narrow, so you stay on one side, which made it feel safer.
Yeah.
I mean, and the kids didn't scream or anything, and Makara wasn't. She was calm, and so it made it more enjoyable.
That's good.
But that's the highlight.
That's what you liked. That was fun.
And then looking down at the canyon after you come up it.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's good.
So
So highlight from the Shaffer.
Oh, almost all of it. I loved the overlook onto the Colorado River and the cliffs bending, following the river. That was amazing. Those climb on the Shaffer Switchbacks was incredible.
You didn't panic on that one?
Uh-uh.
That's good.
No, Asta did awesome, so I was not scared. He did really good, but that was really cool. I liked that a lot. I'm taking the video. At least, you know, he hugged the cliff side. Not the cliff side, the rock side.
Uphill
So,
side.
Yeah, uphill side. He hugged that the whole way. So I hung out the other side taking videos.
That's good.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Uphill side, that's what you want.
But it's hard to describe the beauty. It's like, I can't figure out the words because amazing and incredible. It just doesn't cut it.
It just doesn't do it, yeah.
Seeing it first person, I think, is the only way to fully appreciate it. I mean, you can see the beauty in pictures or hear it from other people, but seeing it firsthand, there's nothing like it. I've never just been amazed almost every turn.